remember while playing with loops. The first one is break, second one continue, and third one is pass. Let us see how to use these three in our programs. For I in range of 10, print I. I guess you know the output now. It prints from 0 to 9. Now I don't want to print third, but I want to continue when I becomes 3. Then we can print like this. If I double equal to 3, then it should continue the loop. You can notice 3 is not printed. Few minutes back you saw an example of printing even numbers. We can perform the same operation with this continue. If I modulus 2 double equal to 0, then continue. It's going to print only odd numbers now. So what happens if we use continue? If this condition satisfies, then instead of executing the next statement, it directly jumps to the loop. So let us explore break statement now. I don't want to print the characters which are more than 5. For that, I'm going to use break statement. I greater than 5, then break. If I is greater than 5, that means once I become 6, the whole loop will break. So you can notice once I become 6, it's breaking the loop. It's printed 0 to 5. Now let us test the same break and continue with while loop also. I equal to 1 while I less than 10. I should be incremented to 1 and let's print I. So it starts from 2 to 10. Why it started from 2? Because I already won. When it came to this loop, we immediately incrementing it without printing. So it started with 2. Now if I equal to 6, immediately it should break while loop. Now let us see how it works. Now guess whether 6 will be printed or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what you have guessed, but 6 will be printed because we're checking after printing here. Let us see. Now if you place the same print of I just next to if, then 6 won't be printed. Here you can notice. The same for continue also. Now what happens is 7, 8, 9 will be printed, but 6 won't be printed. Now let us see output. Here you can notice 5 after 7, it's printing like this. So whenever it encounters continue, it will continue the loop instead of executing the next block of code. Next statement is pass. In rare cases, we have to mention the loop, but there should not be any code inside of the loop. At the time we can use pass. For example, for are in range of 10. If you directly execute this, it's going to throw an error. But there should be a loop, but there should not be any block inside of the loop. Then you can use pass. Now there is no error. So this is the purpose of pass.